The Simpson washing machine error code E13 indicates a fault with the plumbing. When the machine detects a drastic fall in water levels, it displays the E13 error. This issue can be caused by several factors, including loose water supply valves, which can lead to low water levels in the drum, triggering the error code. A faulty door catch can also cause the error, as the machine may think the door is closed when it's not, allowing water to escape and prompting the E13 error. Additionally, a faulty water level switch can cause the machine to underfill or overfill, resulting in the error code. A damaged or worn-out drain pipe can also be the culprit, leading to water leakage and the E13 error. To fix the error, it's essential to inspect and ensure that all water supply valves are tightened. This can be done by checking the wall valves for wetness, reattaching the hoses to the machine, and securing them tightly. If the valves are damaged, consider replacing them. It's also crucial to ensure the door catch secures the door tightly, creating a tight seal before every wash cycle to prevent water leakage. Furthermore, inspecting the drain pipes for damage or degradation is necessary, and replacing any damaged pipes is the easiest fix. Ensuring the water level switch is working correctly is also vital, as it allows the washing machine to regulate the flow of water into the tub efficiently. If the switch is faulty, replacing it with a working unit is advisable. By following these steps, you can resolve the E13 error code and get your washing machine working properly again.